Hello and welcome to the Scrap Room. I'm Tina Gill with your December card kit. The card kit comes out every other month and it comes chock full with cards and embellishments and paper so that you can create all kinds of cards. This month is featuring Pebbles Loves Me collection. So it's all about Valentine's Day. In your kit you'll have 6 card bases and envelopes to get you started, as well as 4 sheets of cardstock. So this month we have 2 sheets of red, a sheet of white, and a sheet of pink. So you could use those to create more card bases or decorate the fronts of these. For your pattern paper, you're going to get 18 of the 6x6 sheets. So there's this cut apart, this one that's pink and red with X's and O's, the llama little couple with their red hearts on the minty green, a pink floral, the little sloth with his hearts and bouquets of flowers, super sweet, and the red and pink, this is a red foil, diagonal stripe, a pink polka dot on white, little white flowers on pink, and then more flowers with the red foiling, and X's and O's, little heart cookies with little sprinkles, and a red polka dot foil on pink, and then a pink and red diagonal stripe, and sprinkles on a pink background, a 3x3 cut apart. So these are perfect just to put on the front of the cards. The little conversation hearts, a white polka dot on pink, and a red heart foil on pink. So you can see lots of papers, plenty to do, all of your cards, and much more. You're also going to get 6 white doilies, some red and white twine. So there's a yard of that. You're going to get 2 rolls of washi that matches your paper collection. So this one has the 2 little llamas on it. And then I have a thin one that's red hearts on pink. So you could use that on the front of your cards for like a border. Just butt those up together like that. It'd be adorable. And you're going to get 1/4 a pack of the puffy hearts. So these are the little conversation hearts. And 1/4 a pack of the ephemera. So all of those will vary, but this is what I got. More llamas and the little sloth, just super cute. And then a bottle of Nouveau Jewel Drops. So this is strawberry. So you can make your own little enamel dots on your cards and decorate. So I'm really excited to play with that. So as you can tell, you're getting plenty of product to do these 6 cards plus a lot more. If you're interested in more kits, come on over to the Scrap Room store and check out all the other kits available. And then come visit us on the Scrap Room blog and the Facebook group to join in on challenges and see what the design team and your fellow subscribers are creating with their kits. They're full of inspiration and challenges for you to get involved with. If you're not subscribed to the YouTube channel, be sure to click the subscribe button and the notification bell so you'll be notified when the new videos are released. Thank you so much for watching, and we can't wait to see what you create with your kids.